Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to do a face care routine where I'll be reviewing all my facial products and what has been working out for me. So stay tuned as I'll be sharing, reviewing, testing, and using those products on my own skin. First of all, I go in with this cotton pads and baby oil. So I just apply a generous amount, as you can see, and wipe all the dirt away from my face, exfoliate my facial skin, and make sure that I remove all dead cells and all the dirt that has been there. Baby oil works well as a gentle makeup remover, particularly for long-lasting makeup. But fortunately, I'm not a makeup person, but it also can be used to remove pollutants from your skin while leaving it with its natural oil intact. This has been a game changer because I've been suffering from acne, dry skin, so incorporating these products in my regime has made it a game changer. After that, I go in with my Morula Face wash. Yes, to wash off all the dirt and everything. This is which I use. Potia M Morula Skin Face Wash. It's an non-drying, gentle face wash that contains no sulfates. It will leave your skin feeling clean, soft, and hydrated. It is ideal for dry, sensitive, combination, acne-prone, and oily skin types. I'm gonna go and rinse it off. So I got this new product that I'm incorporating in my skincare regime. It's Ganear Vitamin C Booster Syrup. This is how it looks. So giving it a try. Vitamin C serum will leave your skin hydrated, smooth, and young looking at all times. Using a vitamin C serum is a great way of delivering a healthy dose of the magic ingredients to your skin. It moisturizes and revives the skin, reducing dark spots and bringing back the lost glow. This gel will make your skin feel healthy and hydrated at all times. Immediately after going in with that, I'm going to go in with my Vaseline. It's still winter this side, and to keep my skin moist and always hydrated, this is what I use. I could go in with some moisturizer, but I ain't going to do that. I'm going to be using the Vaseline instead. After that, I'm going to go in with this Eucerin sunscreen. Yep, this is how it looks. The sunscreen in particular is good for sensitive skin, so if you react to perfumes and other stuff, I recommend you having this one. It's a game changer. So it's good having sunscreens even if you're not going to go out in the sun, for skin protection, skin repair, and nourishing that skin. As you can see, it doesn't leave a white pigmentation. It's good for my skin. I'm just loving it. Find one that is suitable for yours, and you're gonna thank me later. Recently, I've been developing sensitive teeth, and somebody recommended to me to try this Sensodine toothpaste. So as you can see, the consistency is different. Like it has that thing. I got some days. Now it's time to apply mascara for my lashes. I really got big lashes. They're so rich. They look good. There's no need for me to go ahead and install lashes, but I will some other time, just for an upgrade and a new look. So to apply it, I first put some of the product on my lashes, then go ahead to comb them so that they go straight and go longer. This is the look. So I might go get ready.